How to send HD photos in Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to send HD photos in Instagram. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the chat icon shown in the bottom center of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the chat section, just select the chat where you want to send your photos to. And now here, once you're inside the chat, just tap on the gallery icon, which can be seen in the bottom right side of the text box. And now here, once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear showing the list of all the photos and videos that your phone have. Now here you can simply scroll down and find the photo that you want to share. Now here, once you have selected the photo that you want to share, you can just tap on HD option, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, the media quality will be set to HD. And now here, with that, you can just tap on the send icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you do it, the photo will be sent in HD quality. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.